as you dey comot this morning, may God summon you with better blessing.
Amen.
May God pound your life with better blessing.
Amen.
You no go meet with bad people. You no go see wrong people. Wuru people no go pass your road. All those bad belle people wey dey wish you bad thing. Na so God go take thunder, take fire all of them. You see, you go succeed today. As you dey go out so, na so God go follow you go. You no go fall by the way. You no go enter one chance business. You no go enter one chance motor. Because Baba God dey your side. But one thing I wan carry let you know be say, as you dey comot, so make you carry Jesus Christ part your life, because without Jesus, nothing dey, nothing dey. Only Jesus get better assurance for life. And if you want succeed, so that these wuru people don't go spoil your life, you go need Jesus, my brother. You go need Jesus, my sister. Now this one might be the message I carry come give you this morning. So as now they come on, so make Baba God dey carry you now, so that you go out in peace, come back in peace. When you slide down sleep, sef, your heart go dey mele square, because Baba God dey give you children better sleep. My name na Brother Martins, and this one na make we pray. God bless you now. God bless you now.